Welcome to an animated guide exploring one of the most influential books on human decision-making, Daniel Kahneman's Thinking, Fast and Slow. This masterpiece introduces us to the two fundamental systems that drive how we think, how we make judgments, and why we sometimes make irrational decisions. Daniel Kahneman, a Nobel laureate in economics, reshaped our understanding of the human mind with decades of research into cognitive biases and decision-making. The core revelation is that your mind operates with two distinct systems, each with its own capabilities and limitations, constantly interacting. Visualize your mind as a dual operating system. One part is lightning fast, and the other is slow and methodical. Let's first explore System 1, the engine of intuition and automatic thought. It's the default setting of your brain. System 1 is fast, instinctive, often emotional, and operates automatically without effort or voluntary control. Examples include recognizing a familiar face, understanding simple sentences, or responding instantly to a sudden loud noise. This system is crucial for survival, enabling us to make rapid judgments and navigate the world with minimal cognitive effort. Now we move to System 2, the careful, calculating part of your mind. This is where the heavy thinking happens. System 2 is slower, requires effort, and is responsible for complex computations, reasoning, and maintaining focus. Think about solving a complex math problem, comparing two complicated insurance plans, or monitoring your behavior in a tense social situation. System 2 is resource-intensive, meaning it consumes energy, and, critically, it is often lazy, preferring to let System 1 handle things whenever possible. This laziness is why we fall prey to cognitive biases, systematic errors in thinking that arise when System 1 takes shortcuts. Kahneman shows how these mental shortcuts, or heuristics, lead to predictable mistakes when System 1 encounters situations it doesn't fully understand, and System 2 fails to intervene. A prime example is loss aversion, the finding that the pain of losing something is psychologically about twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same thing. Another common bias is the anchoring effect, where an initial piece of information, even irrelevant, heavily influences subsequent estimates or decisions. So how can you use this knowledge to your advantage? It starts with acknowledging the systems at play. The goal is not to eliminate System 1, which is impossible and undesirable, but to recognize when the stakes are high enough to force System 2 into action. Practical ways to engage System 2 include slowing down, asking critical questions, seeking external perspectives, and deliberately quantifying alternatives. By understanding your dual operating system, you gain the power to override intuition when necessary and make smarter, more rational life decisions.